Hey everyone, Microsoft OneNote isn't just a note-taking app, it's also a powerful collaboration tool. Whether you're working on a team project, sharing meeting notes, or planning with classmates, OneNote lets multiple people work together in the same notebook. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to collaborate in Microsoft OneNote step by step, so let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and sign in with your Microsoft account. Then open a notebook that's already shared with others, or create a new notebook that you plan to share. For real-time collaboration, the notebook should be stored in OneDrive. Next, click the Share button and invite the people you want to work with by entering their email addresses. Depending on your OneNote version, you can allow them to edit the notebook or give them view-only access. Once everyone has access, each person can add text, images, drawings, checklists, or other content. Changes are synchronized automatically, allowing everyone to see updates without manually sending files. To make collaboration easier, organize your notebook using clear section names, descriptive page titles, and consistent formatting. Yeah, keeping everything organized makes teamwork much smoother. As your team continues working, check the notebook regularly for new notes and edits. Since OneNote syncs automatically, you'll always have access to the latest version as long as you're connected to the internet. If your project changes, you can return to the share settings to update permissions or remove collaborators. Managing access helps keep your notebook secure while giving the right people the ability to contribute, and that's how to collaborate in Microsoft OneNote. With shared notebooks and automatic syncing, working together becomes faster, easier, and more organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials.